Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox and set up the TP-Link 8-port gigabit desktop switch. So let's begin the video. Here is the box of the TP-Link 8-port gigabit switch. So first of all, if you do not know what is the main function of a switch, so in simplest word, it actually allows you to extend your Ethernet ports for your router. So let's say your router has 4 ports and you have a total of 7 devices, then how you can connect 7 devices with 4 ports? Then in that case, a network switch comes into place, because with the 8 ports it's going to actually allow you to add up to 7 extra devices to your existing router. So if your network switch says it has 8 ports, basically you can connect up to 7 devices, because the first port is used as an internet input, basically a wire that connects from your router to your network switch, which I will show you later in the setup of this video. Here you can see the box, pretty simple. Here you have the black color TP-Link switch, so it is plug and play, no software is required. Gigabit Ethernet, meaning that it can go up to 1000 megabits per second of transfer speed. It is fanless and it is green tag. By green tag it means that it's going to consume very less energy. On the side there's nothing. The main thing is its version is 3.0. For this particular one, it comes in different versions. On the back, again a pictorial representation. You have your internet, then you have your router. From your router you're going to connect an Ethernet port to your TP-Link switch, the Ethernet port which you see right here with standard RJ45 connectors. And from your switch you can connect multiple devices like your desktop, your game console, your laptops, your NAS storage, and even your CCTV cameras. However, I should tell you that this switch does not support PoE or power over Ethernet. Again, easy to use, and here are some its highlighted performance which you can read. On the side we have its features, specification, and package contents. For package contents we're just going to see. In features, it supports half and full duplex, MAC address learning, and all these features. In specification, it follows these standard protocols. It has 8 ports which can go up to 10, 100, or 1000 megabits per second. In simple words, if you have a 10 megabits per second connection, it will still work, and if you have a 1000 megabits per second connection, it will still work. So it can go the minimum or the maximum value. So here we got some documents and a quick start guide if you want to read it. However, it's not necessary, because I'm going to show you how you can do it. The one thing that I should tell you, that this is an unmanaged switch. By unmanaged, it means that you do not require any software to install on your PC or something like that. All you need to do is to plug in the power cable, plug in the ports, and this should work easily. The downside with unmanaged switches is that you do not have much control or flexibility on each of the port, but it is best for home uses or simple case scenarios. Here you can see the TP-Link LS1008G switch in its matte black color. Here you have the power LED which will turn on once it gets power. TP-Link on the front, it's completely empty. On the side and in this side you have a power input. The power adapter is also provided in the box. On the lower bottom, again some of its ICA numbers or serial numbers, and 2 mounts to hook it onto the wall. And on the back you got your total of 8 Ethernet ports, 1 2 3 4 to 8. Again, the first port is used as is internet input, because you're going to connect a wire from your router and it will go inside the port number 1. So you have a remaining total of 7 ports, so 7 devices can be connected to this switch. And that's also basically that's the whole switch. As you can see, let me show you the adapter as well. Here is the power adapter that comes with the TP-Link LS1008G. Again, this end will connect to your switch, and you have some length of a cable. And here is the adapter brick with its rating. You can see the input is 102 to 40 volts and the output is 9 volt or 0.6 amperes. So let me show you how you can connect this up. In order to set up the network switch, it's pretty simple. First of all, you're going to connect the power adapter to your wall, and now we're going to connect the plug into the side of our TP-Link switch. You're going to see the power LED light turn on and stable green. Also, when you're going to plug in for the first time, you're going to see some lights on each of the 8 ports as well. So if the light is constantly green, it means that our network switch is working perfectly all right. Now the next step is to actually provide it with internet through our router. So here I have ethernet cable. The other end is connected to my router, and I'm going to connect it to the port number 1 of my network switch. So any port will work, but I recommend it to connect in the port number 1. Once you connect it, and if the router is providing it ethernet, and if your ethernet cable is all right, you're going to see that the network switch port number 1 will turn on the green light. So here I have my laptop, and let's say I want to give internet to my laptop using the network switch. So I'm going to connect one end of the ethernet port to my laptop, and now the other end will be connected to the network switch, which I can connect to any port. It doesn't have to be the port number 2. Like, and I can connect it to, let's say, port number 5. It will still work, and you're going to see that the lights LED indication is on, which means that our laptop is getting internet from the TP-Link switch. And if for some reason, if you connected the device, the light is not turning on, try checking the cable first, and then make sure that whether the device is powered on or off, because if the device is powered off, then this LED light will not work. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video and setup video of the TP-Link LS1008G 8 port gigabit switch. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and as always, stay safe.